My name is Shah Saidi. I'm the general manager at Asset Grove. I've been working at the company for the past 2.5 years. Asset Grove is a leading letting company who is specialized in providing guarantee rent scheme. Our landlord benefits from a hassle-free rental income, and we provide an excellent level of service to landlords, agents, the London Borough Councils, and the tenants. In the past 2.5 years, the company has grown substantially, evolving into a specialist company with an extensive portfolio of property services. The number of properties that Asset Grove look after is in 4-digit numbers. This has been achieved with a hard work and commitment. Asset Grove have been working in building a dedicated team of staff who they play a vital role in a smooth running and success of the business.